315, descent at level 100.
Descent at level 100, 0855.
Scandinavian 531, turn left heading 120 degrees, reduce speed 180 knots.
Speed 180, turning left, heading 120, Canada 521.
Heathrow, good day, last 315, descending flight level 120, information then 1044.
Hello, 315 Heathrow, turn left now back to Lambourne, leave Lambourne heading 275.
Direct Lambourne, exit Lambourne 275 on the heading, the last 315.
Speedband 118, descent at level 80.
Descent at level 80, speedband 118.
Scandinavian 531, heading 27 right, 25 miles and touchdown, descent to altitude 5,000 feet, QNH 1004.
1204, Scandinavian 521.
Scandinavian 521 negative, descent to altitude 5,000 feet, QNH 1004.
Turning to 5,000, 1004, Scandinavian 521. Once again.
Scandinavian 531, 27 right, 27 miles and touchdown, contact direct to the course on only 120.4.
1204 for 27 right, Scandinavian 521. Bye.
LL 315, descend flight level 110, confirm your aircraft type.
Descending flight level 110, about 215.
Okay, confirm the 777-200.
That's confirmed.
מה שלא אומרים לעבודה הראשונה זה הודיע שלך אחר כך. טוב, 1-1. 1-1-0, אני עם heading select, אז...
Seabird 118, descent to altitude 6,000 feet, QNH 1004.
6,000, 1004,
Seabird 855, descent at level 90.
Descent at level 90, 0855.
LL 315, descent at level 100.
Descent flight level 100 and out 15.
Seabird 118, turn left heading 120 degrees, reduce speed 180 knots.
left heading 120 degrees, 180 knots, Speedbird 118.
רוצה לחכות עוד רגע, זה גם טוב.
7965 on track.
7965 on track. Seabird 118, descent to altitude 5,000 feet.
5,000, Speedbird 118.
הם אוהבים את ההודעה הזאת, בכל מקרה זה נותן להם
Seabird 118, contact direct to the course on only 120.4.
כי אחרת הם לא יודעים איפה הם, זה גם אומר ש... הודעה טובה.
Hello, Speedbird 148, descending flight 100. Left back to Lambourne with information out to LA 321.
Seabird 148, ready to stand by. Seabird 855, descent at level 80, expedite descent.
Descent at level 80, will close to 0855.
LL 315, descent at level 80, expedite descent.
Descending flight level 80, expediting the last 315.
Seabird 148, Heathrow, hello, leave Lambourne heading 275, speed 220 knots. Seabird 148, this confirm, leave Lambourne heading 275, speed 220 knots.
Leave Lambourne 220 knots, do one.
Seabird 148, confirm aircraft type, LSA 321.
אבל פחות מדויקים, אמרו לנו איזה מהירות לעשות לעבור. איך עוברים, 220 או משהו.
Seabird 855, turn left heading 100 degrees, reduce speed 180 knots.
Dash lane 100 degrees, reduce 180 knots, Speedbird 855.
LL 315, turn right heading 290 degrees.
Turning right, heading 290 degrees.
Seabird 855, descent to altitude 4,000 feet, QNH 1004.
Descent 4,000 feet, 1004, Speedbird 855.
LL 315, turn left again heading 275.
Turning left, heading 275 and out 215.
Seabird 148, descent at level 80, expedite descent.
Lambourne hold, we're now 390 to go.
Good one, sir. Speedbird 148, descent part level 80, expedite descent.
Descent level 80,
And so it's taking seconds again.
Big voice was 939, descending flight level 110 in the Lambourne, hold Airbus 319 Golf.
Speedbird 939 Heathrow, turn left to Lambourne, leave Lambourne heading 275.
Left to Lambourne, leave heading 275 to 939. We're back at about 200 knots, man, is that okay?
Yeah, 939, A-phone, that's fine.
Good afternoon, Mike Yankee, Juliet Tango, 5,000 feet, KNH 1004 to Lambourne.
Mike Yankee, Juliet Echo Tango, Heathrow, Roger, leave Lambourne heading 275, speed 220 knots or less.
We leave Lambourne heading 275 and speed 200 now.
Speed 855, contact direct to the call sign only, 120.4.
120.4, right.
LL 315, turn left heading 100 degrees, reduce speed 180 knots.
Turning left heading 100, reduce speed 180
Stand by, break speedbird 148, turn right heading 285.
285 for the 148.
LL 315, descend to altitude 6,000 feet, QNH 1004.
Descend 6,000 feet to 1004 allow 315.
Speedbird 939, descend to level 80, expedite descent.
Descent level 80, expedite 939.
India, Kentucky, Lambourne, hold speed 390 brother.
speed.
Speedbird 148, turn left heading 275.
Head 275.
LL 315, contact direct to the call sign only, 120.4.
120.4. Allow 315.
Star 315, landing runway 27 right, 24 miles.
27 right.
24 miles, אנחנו עוברים ל7.5, בסדר, בדיוק. צריך להנמך. Fast, flat speed. 6.5 transition.
LR 315, turn right, heading 120 degrees.
Right, heading 120 degrees, allow 315.
שמעביר את ה-1002 על 1004, פה אני שם כבר שלנו רפרנסס שוב.
55, turn right, heading 245 degrees, establish 27 right.
Heading 245, establish 275.
Ground Air Canada 854, Delta 315, descend altitude 5,000 feet.
5,000 feet, I check.
5,000 feet, confirm allow 315.
Confirm, sir, 5,000 feet.